Here we come to the elevator at 2222 Bay Area Boulevard. And we have something.
I think it's not just a slab on mod.
Yeah, you may think this is just a boring mod, but wait until you hear the motor on this.
It's got a good motor. %100% slab on. This elevator is original. This is just a slab on. Takes like 10 seconds to level that.
It's fast too. I got Andrew today.
Hey, it's a nice phone case. Send it up to 2 and watch it go up. I haven't seen it out here.
All right. I don't know if this used to be an Esco or Montgomery, but based on the motor, it sounded like a Montgomery.
This elevator's original. It's just a slab on mod.
You got a good view of these fixtures. This fixture has definitely been replaced. All right, I'm gonna let you hear this motor one more time. And 3, 2, 1. What? Why does it say? Okay, now it changed to 2. Okay, that fornicator is kind of messed up. I'm trying to ring the bell outside. And it just left.
You know, another way I can tell this is on switch or controller, when you call the elevator, the 2 button will go. Yeah, but when you hit the button, the 2 will go. Montgomery's used to do that.
I want to get that indicator lighting up.
I don't think it works.
It does.
Be quiet. I did.
There it goes. And that's it.